So guys, I know how to make putty even softer. So now you just need your brand new putty. I know how to make putty softer right whenever you get it. You know how that putty is always so hard right whenever you get it and you just want to open it? So now guys, I know what to do. So first off, you need a bucket. I'm just using my angry jar. So yeah, you need a bucket and some water. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the water. Okay, put the lid back on. Okay, so now you need your putty. So put it in the bucket for at least like 50 seconds or a minute. And then let's wait. Okay, so my brother got Pokemon cards. Well, that's cool. But guys, I'm just gonna be talking to you for a while. Okay, 50 seconds later or a minute later. So take out your putty and start playing with it. It's kind of softer now. And it's just an easy bit. Stickier, but this hack is not for you if your putty is already sticky. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not concentrating because saw a spider and it's like jumpy. It's like jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping. But yeah, but me and my brother just started digging like a while ago and I cut myself on my finger. I was wondering why there was blood on my hand. There was like 3 drops of blood on me.
Please close your door.
I was wondering, so yeah.